What's going on, guys? This is gonna be a video I post. It's fucking snowing in fucking Maryland. My phone's wet as shit now. What the gist of this is that I thought I'd make a vlog as I walk through this fucking blizzard. It is a blizzard, actually. And you think, why? Poon or Zero? I'm gonna say my Zero because I feel weird dressing myself as Poon. While I'm walking out here, and walking to meet up with a friend to go buy some weed. That's literally what I'm doing. And I live in a small town in Maryland. And in this small town, it's really just a bunch of snobby people. And I'm here, native from Minnesota, 10 years removed, so you know, doesn't really count. I count it, but you know, I don't have those remarkable winter living skills anymore. But with that being said, it's cold as fuck. I understand why the Alaskan government now pays their people money from the oil, because they have to live in temperatures like this. Funny shit, a truck just drove by me. But that's about it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. It's cold as fuck. I'll give you an update as soon as I get home.